Class, hi, this is Ivan Alvarez, and I want to show you how to solve this problem that's giving everyone a lot of headaches on homework number 2. First, I just want to bring to your attention that the only information that's given that is useful is that the dividends are $10,000. So you want to start working this problem by trying to figure out what variables or what areas only have one variable for you to solve. So I'm going to start by just writing and filling in information that it's useful. So dividends are $10,000. Let me fill that in. $10,000. My ending balance of retained earnings is given. There it is on the balance sheet. So what I know now is that my beginning balance plus my net income minus my dividends has to equal my ending balance. So mathematically, my net income has to be $30,000 because beginning balance of $10,000 plus $30,000 is $40,000 minus $10,000 of dividends gives me an ending balance of $10,000. So my net income is $30,000. Now I know that revenue minus cost of sales minus other expenses has to equal my net income. So I work this backwards. Net income plus expenses plus some number has to equal to 100,000. So mathematically that number has to be 60,000. So 100,000 minus 60,000 is 40,000 minus 10,000 gives me the 30,000. Okay, so now I have a couple of numbers completed in the equation. So now we've solved the income statement and the statement of retained earnings. Some additional information given in the problem are that inventory and equipment are equal and that you have 100 outstanding shares of $10 par. So let's start with, I have to solve one side of the balance sheet because total assets has to equal total liabilities plus equity. So on the balance sheet, it's easier for me to solve the liability and equity side because the problem also tells you that dividends payable were paid at the end of the year, so that's 0. Common stock is the 100 outstanding shares of $10 par, so you take 100 shares times 10, so 100 shares times $10 par is $1,000. So now I know that my total liabilities and equity is 40,000. Therefore, total assets has to be 40,000. And the problem tells you that inventory and equipment are equal. Therefore, inventory is 10,000 and equipment is 10,000.